Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a panda. That's right, we're going to draw a panda step by step. Pandas are cute, cuddly, and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! First, we will start with the panda's head. We can start by drawing a circle or an oval. We will draw a second circle in the back for the panda's body. Let's not forget to add the panda's tail. Next, we will add 2 semicircles for the ears. My panda is lying down, so I'm going to draw its legs and arms sprawled out. After the outline, I'm going to start coloring in the tail, legs, ears, and arms in black. Doesn't it look fantastic already? Let's not forget the panda's face. I want to draw 2 ovals for its face, followed by a small circle inside each of its eyes. Afterwards, I'm going to add in a dot for the nose and draw in its mouth. I will now color in the black patch for the eyes, but leaving the small inner circle white. Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. Feel free to change up the panda color and use other colors besides black, maybe a purple or even a rainbow panda. I'm going to add some pink for flush on its cheek. Lastly, I'm going to use a gray marker to add in some shadows for the panda. Wow! Look at our amazing pandas! You all did a fantastic job. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice. So keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.